Welcome to the best picks. The best garage door paint is probably one of the most impactful DIY projects you can undertake to boost your home's curb appeal. A fresh coat of paint not only revitalizes the look of your garage door but also protects it from the harsh elements, extending its lifespan. In this video, we'll explore the top garage door paints on the market, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. Giani Black Walnut Wood Look Paint Kit. Tired of a plain garage door? This kit offers an easy solution. In just a few hours, it can give your door a beautiful wood-like appearance. The application is straightforward. It involves two simple steps, making the transformation process quick and easy for anyone to do. This paint is designed for outdoor use. It's weather-resistant, ensuring that the new look of your garage door lasts for a long time. The kit includes everything you need. From the base coat to the finish coat, along with all the necessary tools, it has you covered. Want to boost your home's value? This product can instantly upgrade your home's appearance. It's a quick and effective way to add curb appeal. What we like. This kit gives your garage door a beautiful wood look. It's a simple two-step application, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a way to instantly boost your home's curb appeal with a high-end carriage-style door look, you should consider this. What people say. I followed the instructions and didn't have any problems. The first coat of the stain where you are using the mitt is the most important. The lines made in this step will be the main ones you see in finished product. Make sure they are straight when you use the mitt. I ordered the honey oak and I also got one of those rubber stamp kits that you drag and tilt because I wanted more pronounced wood grain. I have no idea what wizardry these paint folks have up their sleeves, but the color is incredible. Trust the process. The first coat is sort of a bland tan, but once you apply the second coat, oh goodness. Number 4. Giani English Oak Wood Look Paint. This is the English Oak finish coat from Giani. It's part of the garage door kit. This coat is designed to give your garage door a beautiful wood grain finish. The paint is water-based acrylic. This means it's safe and easy to work with. It provides a durable and attractive finish for your garage door. It's designed to be low in odors and VOCs. This makes the application process more pleasant. You can feel confident using it in your home. This 16 ounces can covers up to 100 square feet. It's enough to transform most standard garage doors. It provides excellent coverage for your project. You can achieve a stunning transformation in just 3 hours. The finish coat is easy to apply and dries quickly. It will give your garage door a fresh new look. What we like. This finish coat is designed to create a realistic wood grain effect. It's water-based, making it safe and easy to work with. If you like the look of wood grain and want to refresh your garage door, this is a great choice. What people say. I used one coat of base with a regular brush and 2 coats of top coat with a foam brush to make them a little darker. We were searching for paint that could resemble wood. As a carpenter, I was completely blown away. We redid a white metal garage door. So much better. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Gloss White Paint. Today, we're highlighting the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Paint. This is a versatile paint suitable for various projects. It's a great choice for your painting needs. This paint is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use it on wood, metal, plaster, masonry, or even unglazed ceramic surfaces. It's perfect for a wide range of projects. The formula is water-based acrylic, which means it has a low odor. It's also chip-resistant, ensuring long-lasting protection. This makes it a great choice for any project. It covers up to 120 square feet and dries to the touch in just 30 minutes. This allows for quick project completion. You'll be amazed at how fast you can finish your project. The gloss finish gives surfaces a fresh, new look. It goes on smoothly and provides excellent hide. It will transform your surfaces with a beautiful shine. Before applying, sand the surface with 180-200 grit sandpaper. Then, wash it with a degreaser and let it dry. This will ensure the paint adheres properly. What we like. This paint dries quickly, allowing you to finish your project fast. It's also low odor, making it pleasant to use. If you need a durable, easy-to-apply paint for various surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. Exceptional coverage, offers more than double the coverage compared to other paints, allowing you to complete projects faster. Fast drying, touchable in 20 minutes and fully handled in an hour, making it easy to complete jobs in a short time. Application from any angle, its design allows painting from any position, including hard-to-reach surfaces. Number 2. Modern Masters Elegant Front Door Paint. Introducing the Modern Masters Elegant Front Door Paint. This water-based exterior enamel is perfect for your doors and shutters. This paint is suitable for both interior and exterior metal or wood surfaces. The water-based formula ensures long-lasting durability, making it a great choice for any project. It dries quickly, in just 1 hour, so you can get your project done faster. It covers up to 100 square feet, providing excellent coverage for your needs. Thanks to the Never Fade technology, the surface will remain beautiful for years to come. It ensures that the color stays vibrant, no matter the weather. The paint provides an easy-to-maintain smooth satin finish. It's a water-based formula, making cleanup simple. What we like. This paint features Never Fade technology, ensuring your door stays beautiful. It's perfect for both interior and exterior use. If you want a long-lasting, elegant finish for your doors and shutters, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to apply, definitely use sponge brushes for details and soft foam rollers to avoid streaks. Applied 2 coats and some touch-ups, still have about half a bottle left. The paint is a wonderful and deep color, very vibrant and beautiful. Number 1. Rust-Oleum 238310 Black Oil Paint. This oil-based paint is designed to protect your doors. It's perfect for exterior and interior use on metal, wood, and fiberglass. This product provides a durable protective coating with excellent rust prevention. The paint is built to withstand the elements. It resists weather and corrosion, keeping your door looking great for longer. It's a reliable choice for any door. The oil-based formula creates a strong barrier. It prevents rust and damage, extending the life of your door. This coating is made to last. You won't have to wait long for it to dry. It dries to the touch in just 1 to 2 hours. You can get your project done quickly. With this paint, you get great coverage. It can cover up to 105 square feet. It's an efficient choice for your painting needs. The paint has a beautiful satin finish. It offers a low sheen look that is both elegant and practical. It's a great way to update your door. What we like. This oil-based paint provides excellent rust prevention and weather resistance. It's ideal for protecting your doors from the elements. If you live in an area with harsh weather conditions and need a durable paint, you should consider this. What people say. The paint went on smoothly and covered well. The color was exactly as described and looks great. The paint has held up well to the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.